In this problem, it says that the waiting times between a subway departure schedule and the arrival of a passenger are uniformly distributed between 0 and 5 minutes. And we want to find the probability that a randomly selected passenger has a waiting time greater than 4.25 minutes. So I'm going to draw this uniform distribution. And I'm going to draw a better line than that. Okay, so I've drawn my uniform distribution, and the characteristic of the uniform distribution is that it looks like a rectangle. So we have this going from 0 to 5 minutes, and we want to find the probability that a randomly selected passenger has a waiting time greater than 4.25 minutes. So I'm going to mark that on my distribution, and we want to be greater than that. So what I'm looking for is the area in that rectangle. So I know that the width of this rectangle here, well, if we're going from 4.25 to 5, then that width is going to be 0.75. And I got that from just taking 5 minus 4.25. But I also need to know the height. What is the height here? So to find the height, we're going to realize that the width of the total rectangle times the height has to equal 1. So since the total rectangle goes from 0 to 5, that width is 5 units, and 5 times what is equal to 1, well, that would be 1 over 5. So this height is 1 over 5. So now to find the area inside this rectangle, we're just going to, and we're going to say that's the probability we're looking for. We're going to multiply 1 over 5 times 0.75. And that gives me 0.15. And it had said to round to 3 decimal places if needed, and so we're okay with that. So that's how you would do that problem.